A new study by the global design and planning company Gensler revealed that more than 73% of the employees in German companies are dissatisfied with the design and layout of their working environment. The reason, therefore, is a lack of integration of the user and his needs in the process of planning and design. One of them is Robin. He is working in an office which is not supporting him in his daily work. In order to optimize the office planning process, we started by developing a model for user satisfaction at their workplace. The model is based on the Office Productivity Framework by Barry P. Haynes and has been adapted and extended by further factors from our literature research. This model describes happiness and well-being as a result of various factors. It is split into two categories, the physical environment and the behavioral environment. The categories are each divided into two areas. On the one hand, an office layout and comfort, and on the other hand, an interaction and distraction, which in turn are described by different aspects. In a good and digital planning process, these factors should be considered in advance. In addition to the benefits for the user, there is also a proven benefit for the employer. The literature shows a clear correlation between employee satisfaction and productivity, as can be seen in this diagram. The productivity increases as the satisfaction improves. This allows the company to boost the productivity of its employee through a better working environment. Meanwhile, Robin is working in his boring office, daydreaming about a nicer workplace, when suddenly his boss is calling.
Hi Robin, we are planning to move to a new office. Please come around and check it out.
Robin expects to see the new office, but the planning process is still going on. The use of technologies like BIM and VR ensure an early integration of the user. Robin is happy to be involved in the planning process and can't wait to move into his new office. We think every project should be that successful. Therefore, we have designed a specific plan for the digital office design process, which helps to ensure the happiness and well-being of the future user. Our model is based on the human-centered design cycle, which was established as a successful model for user-oriented design of products. It passes through the phases of planning the project, creating a design, testing of the design, as well as measuring and learning. It is characterized by an early focus on the user and its iterative approach, in order to refine the pilot until the successful design is scaled. Based on the human-centered design process, we modified the model with focus on a digital office design. The process begins with the creation of the building information model of the new office space. Then it continues with the design of the workspace and a testing phase with the user, in which he gets a visual impression of the new workspace using VR technology. The analysis of the feedback allows a better understanding of the user's needs and ensures a refined design over multiple rounds of iteration. The perfect concept can then be rolled out. Finally, we have added one more phase to the model. In order to verify the success, the user is asked to provide feedback in a post-occupancy evaluation, short POE, after the space has been occupied. The POE considers all aspects of our well-being and satisfaction model that was shown earlier and checks their fulfillment. By using this process, you will achieve the perfect workspace design.